A very warm welcome to all of you guys. In this video today we are going to learn how to use and run PHP in our computer. For running PHP in our computer, we require Xampp to be installed in our system. Why we use PHP? Well, because of two major reasons. First is when we want to interact with the databases, we require PHP to play its role, because PHP is a server-side scripting language and it is well suited for interactions with databases. Second reason is that when we want to apply some logic in the web pages, that time we must have some programming language to play its role, so that we can use PHP for that as well. Now there are four major steps for running PHP code in our computer. First is to install Xampp. Second one is to start Apache and Mysql Server. Third thing is that save your folder / file in htdocs. Htdocs is the file that comes inbuilt with the Xampp server as soon as we installed it. And fourth step is that rendering that file which is saved in the htdocs using any of the browser. So these are four major steps. Let's see each step one by one. Okay dear friends, now this is my browser, and let me put Xampp into that. And as soon as I enter Xampp into the search box, a very first link that you will be seeing, click on that. After clicking on this link, you will be able to see this interface. Now here is the option: download for Windows, for Linux and for iOS. Choose operating system according to you, and just click on the version that you want. First, I have Windows operating system, so I am clicking on that link. After clicking on that hyperlink, I will be able to see something like this. Now you can see here it is automatically downloading for me. Now let me just click on this option, open when done. Now it will automatically get open when it is done. After downloading program files, you will be able to see something like this in Windows. Just click on install anyway. Now see, here you can see, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your devices? Just click on yes. Now here onwards, you just click on yes, next, etc. Since I have already installed Xampp in my system, so I skip this step, but it is very easy. Here onwards, just click on yes and next buttons. Well guys, now Xampp is successfully installed in your system. Now let's get started with starting Apache and Mysql servers. Just enter here Xampp control panel. After clicking on that icon, you will see something like this. Now what you have to do is just clicking on start button here for Apache and start button here for Mysql. Now your Apache and Mysql servers are started. Now just minimize the screen. Fine guys, now you can open any of the code editors, say VS Code, Notepad or Sublime Text Editor. Since I have VS Code installed in my system, let me start with VS Code. Now all you have to do is just create new file in VS Code and save that file in htdocs. You will find this htdocs in your D drive, and you will see here Xampp. Click on Xampp, then you will find htdocs here. Now here either you can save as a file or you can save as a folder. I'm saving as a file, index and index.php. Let me give this extension. Here please note that guys, the extension is mandatorily PHP. No other extension will work for you. Now I click on this save button. Now here you can write the code for PHP. Guys, these are norms by PHP. You have to strictly follow this rule for writing PHP. And just let me go with the simple code. Echo hello world. Now let us see whether it is running or not. Let me first save it up. Now just go to any of the browser. Enter localhost / index.php. See guys, the code is reflecting here hello world, means your PHP is installed successfully in your computer. Now you can use it for further coding. Thank you so much for paying attention and staying up to here.